If you are stuck on pending in the Play Store on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, to fix this, first of all, we're going to completely close the Play Store. You want to fully close it. Afterwards, you want to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, we want to go to Settings. So let's open Settings on our phone. In here, you want to scroll down until you find the System option and then choose it. In here, choose Date and Time. And here you want to make sure that you have Date and Time automatic. You want to make sure that this option is enabled. And you want to do the same thing with the time zone. Afterwards, it is recommended to restart the phone. So for example, you can go to the control center again and tap on the power button here and restart your phone. And once the phone turns back on, you want to re-enable Wi-Fi and or mobile data. And you should be able to use the Play Store again and download apps. Leave a like and subscribe.